Good day, ma'am. Praise be Jesus and Mary. My name is Ren Joseph Biamato, together with my other reporters. So we are the Group 5, and the topic for today is all about climate change. So, introduction. Climate change refers to the long-term warming of the planet due to an increase in average global temperature. This warming is primarily caused by human activities that releases greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, to the atmosphere, leading to a range of severe consequences, including rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems and human societies. So, this explains that climate change is the long term warming of our planet. It happens because the average global temperature keeps rising over time. Now, what's causing this? The main reason is human activities like burning fossil fuels for energy, cutting down forests, and using vehicles and factories that release harmful gases into the air. These gases, like carbon dioxide and methane, are called greenhouse gases. They trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, making the planet warmer. Kind of like how a blanket traps heat to keep us warm. But too much heat is not a good thing. Because climate change, we are already seeing serious effects like the sea levels are rising. Karon makita na nato nga nagkanam-anam nagka taas ang tubig. Like ginawat sa una kung ato man i-compare sa unang kung tawag na to mas bunbun sa unang ang atong baybayon. Same sa among baybay dire. Weather is becoming more extreme. Yeah. So manotice nato nga nagkagrabe na pod ang weather karon, like stronger typhoons or longer droughts, and it's causing problems for both nature and people. So it can really harm us or dako kay apekto sa ato tao. And animals loses their homes, farmers struggles with unpredictable seasons, and some communities are even forced to leave their homes. So climate change is a big impact kayo sa ato and it gives us a struggle not only to us people but also to animals kay agawalan na sila mga pamuyan, and for us people labi na mga farmers kay struggle pod sa ilang mga umayan tungod lagi sa atong weather nga dili na nato masabtan because of the climate change. So moving on to our next topic.
Hello, good evening. I'm Aaron Reyes Bitolang. Tonight I'm going to explain my part. Causes of climate change. Kani siya duha klase no. Human activities o natural causes. So, una ning human activities is burning fossil fuel, coils, oil, gas for energy and transport. So una ni no. So example ani kay kini dapit sa amo ang Pista brand. Kani sila naghimo ni sila og kanang oil nagso di ba o di bale kanang fuels gas paghimo sa uling. So unsa pa na ilang gigamat na nga mga cause sa climate change. Kaduha ni kay deforestation, reducing trees that absorb carbon dioxide. So kung padayon ta mag putol og kahoy, wala na po'y mag-absorb og kuan, magkaanam na pod og kagamay ang mag-absorb sa atong carbon dioxide. Atong mga hugaw nga gases wala na mag inig-absorb sa trees, convert na na. Ikatulo sa human activities is agriculture and livestock, which release methane and nitrous oxide. So kaning agriculture kay Kay kani sila kay kaning agriculture kay example ani sa mga toxic nga farm pagtanom og mga humay nga gigamitan nila mga pang pesticides o fertilizer which makadaot sa atong yuta og tubig, maka-poison daw na siya. Kaning livestock is paggama sa atong mga pagkaon, processed food, kanang mga pag meat no, mga kumpanya magama sa atong pagkaon, livestocks. Ito sa natural causes, una ni is volcanic eruption. So kung magbutong ang bulkan, madaot ang atong ay bag-o atong temperatura which mag-cause og climate change. Bag-o sa atong temperatura sa kalibutan. Kaduha is changes in solar radiation. Sorry kitong cell ko. Kaning changes in solar radiation is pinaagi sa energy sa adlaw. Radiation. Ang UV rays ana. Isa sa makaapekto sa atong climate change ng sun. Sa ikatulo, warning last, natural climate pattern. Kani example ani is El Nino. Pagundang sa ulan. Sulod sa pila ka bulan nga walay ulan-ulan, maugana ng mga yuta. Muna dahil magbag-on na itong temperatura, samot o kainit. Dayon, El Nina, I think, no? Isa po siya. So, mura to ako. Bye. Thank you. Peace.
Natural causes. First, volcanic eruptions. These particles can reflect sunlight away from the earth, leading to temporary cooling of the planet. Second, solar variations. The sunlight energy output isn't constant. Changes in solar radiation such as sunspot cycles can impact the Earth's temperature, either warming or cooling it depending on the variations. Third, ocean currents. These patterns affect weather system globally, influencing rainfall, storms, and temperature. Fourth, Earth's orbit and tilt. These slow changes alter how much sunlight different parts of the Earth receive, contributing to long-term climate shifts like ice age. Fifth, natural carbon cycle changes. Variation in this carbon cycle can influence the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, affecting the climate. While human activities are now a major driver of climate change, it's important to understand the natural forces that have always been a part of Earth's climate system.
Orbital chain. Eccentricity. What is the change in the shape of Earth orbit around the Sun? Circulate about 100 years. So, the eccentricity cycle is a change in Earth orbit shape occurring every 100 years in a shift between more circular and more elliptical, affecting how much solar energy Earth gets and influencing long-term climate like ice gas. Then, number 2, obliquity, accelerated. What is the change in the angle of Earth as a axle time cycle late about 41 years. So, the obliquity cycle is a slow change in Earth tide shifting between 22.1 degree and 24.5 degree every 41 years. This affects how sunlight is distributed, especially at the poles, influencing long-term climate. So, last number is precession. What is the wobble in Earth rotation similar to a spinning top cycle late about 26 years. So, epic change, the timing of the season in relation to Earth distance the Sun. Then, ang axis is precession is the slowable of Earth rotation axis, completing a full cycle about every 26 years. In ships, the orientation of the axis changing the north star and slowly altering the timing of season. Thank you.
Good evening, praise be Jesus and Mary. My topic today is about human activities. Agriculture source methane from livestock like cows, rice paddies, and manure. Nitrous oxide from fertilizer and soil management. Effect: both CH4 and A20 are powerful greenhouse gases, much more potent than CO2 in trapping heat. Industrial process example: cement production, chemical manufacturing, waste management. The effect: these emit various greenhouse gases including CO2, CH4, and synthetic gases like CFCs and HFCs, which are thousands of times more potent than CO2. The causes of climate change of human activity. 1. Burning of fossil fuels used to electricity, transportation, and industry release large amount of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gases. Examples: cars, airplane, power plant, or factories. Another example is deforestation. Trees absorb CO2, but cutting them down release that carbon into atmosphere, often done for farming, logging, or urban development. Industrial activities, factories release methane and nitrous oxide during production, including cement, steel, and chemical manufacturing. However, these activities often release harmful greenhouse gases which contribute to climate change. Waste management. Landfills release methane as organic waste break down. Poor waste management increase emission and pollution. The last is illegal logging and forest fire. Leads to loss of carbon absorbing trees. Fire, fire release store carbon directly into the atmosphere.
Perspective of climate on society. Health impacts: increased health-related illness and deaths, and more heat-related sickness and deaths. Hotter weather can cause heat stroke and make health problem worse, and spread of waterborne disease and mental health issues due to flooding. It means that flooding can spread dirty water and make people sick and also cause stress, anxiety, and trauma. And last of health impacts, expansion of disease carrying insects like mosquitoes and ticks. Mosquito and ticks warmer weather help these insects spread, bringing disease like malaria, dengue, and Lyme disease. Second, economic impacts, damage to infrastructure, agriculture, and tourism industry. Economic impacts, damage to infrastructure, agriculture, and tourism industries. Damage to agriculture, farms, and tourism roads, crops, and spots get destroyed, causing big losses, and increased cost for the disaster relief, insurance, and health care. What it means is more money is needed for emergency help, insurance, and health care. And last, loss of productivity and economic opportunities. It means is people lose work and business can operate, hurting the economy. Environmental, rising sea levels and coastal erosion. Water levels go up and wear away coastlines, damaging and land and homes. Melting glaciers and snowpacks affecting water supplies. Less ice means less fresh water for people and nature. Last, loss of biodiversity and economic ecosystem disruption. Animals and plants die off or move throwing nature out of balance.
To end this discussion, let's read the summary of this report. So, climate change is mainly driven by human actions and poses serious global risk. Mitigating it requires renewable energy use, conservation efforts, and global cooperation through policies like the Paris Agreement. So it says that climate change is mostly caused by people, like when we use cars, cut down trees, and burn coal or oil. These actions release gases that make the earth hotter. Because of that, we face big problems like stronger storms, floods, and heat waves. To help stop it, we need to use clean energy like solar and wind, take care of nature, and work together with other countries. One example is the Paris Agreement, where countries promise to help fight climate change together. So in short, climate change is a serious problem, but we can solve it by working together and make better choices. That's all, and thank you.